Temperatures are a little warmer tonight than they were at this time yesterday, but it's still really comfy out there. Some spots, though, like South Haven and Muskegon, are 7 to 8 degrees warmer, and that still puts us at a very comfortable middle to upper 50s for most spots, which just goes to show you how chilly last night actually was. We're currently 59 and clear in Holland with a dew point of 51. This was in the 40s last night, so we're slowly seeing that moisture level creep up, mainly because our wind is very slightly from the south in some locations, helping to bring up some more of that warm and humid air. Mid 50s to low 60s with some cloud cover, especially across the eastern half of the area. This is all ahead of a cold front that will really help to increase our cloud cover come early morning. And then the front that's still stuck back in Lake Superior, that's going to push to the south. All of this heavy rain that we're seeing across eastern Wisconsin, the UP and the northern LP will make a run for West Michigan, but will not likely make it to us with a whole lot of steam. So unfortunately, even though this is going to be our best rain chance of the week, we're still probably not going to end up with a ton of rain. A trace to around a quarter inch, hopefully some spots getting a little bit more, but this most recent model run trims back those totals even more. So it looks like we're going to end August on a very sparse note in terms of rainfall. 60s for most of our lakeshore locations tonight. Inland for places like Allendale will probably be in the upper 50s. Same thing for Holland along the lakeshore near 60. Zeeland inland in the upper 50s. And same for the greater Grand Rapids area, middle to upper 50s. And then for most of us, we'll get into the low 70s tomorrow, although it will be a breezy day with chances for rain and thunderstorms through about noon. Again, not looking at a lot of thunderstorms, but there is that chance. Because of the wind direction, we have a beach hazard statement through tomorrow for all of West Michigan's lakeshore. Waves could be 4 to 6 feet, so small craft advisory also in place. Strong rip current concerns and the breezy winds, they're going to be upwards of 15 to 25 miles an hour at times. Let's time out the rain, seeing more of that diminish as it makes its way towards us, but between 6:30 and 8, probably north of 96 is the best chance for some showers after 9 a.m. for areas a little farther to the south. But this is a little disheartening to see the lack of moisture that continues to push across West Michigan. We're going to try our best to pick up a little bit of rain, but it does not look like it's going to be a whole lot. Heading into the weekend, though, everybody probably at this point in time really looking forward to the Labor Day holiday weekend. For Saturday and Sunday, we'll have a lot of sunshine. Temperatures initially cool for Friday will be in the upper 60s, but Saturday low 70s, Sunday upper 70s, and then as we actually get into Labor Day itself, that's going to be one of our warmer days of the week at 80 degrees, 81 on Tuesday and 80 on Wednesday. And those low 80s are actually going to be above average by this point in time, but it is going to be a fantastic weekend for outdoor plans. Another front comes next week.